So hey y'all, it's me Sarah. So we're gonna get into making bangles like y'all asked. And by the way y'all, if you guys need charms, I specialize in selling charms. We already have charm packs. You get 50 charms for $25. That's a deal. 50 assortments of charms for $25. Period. Okay, so we're a little closer. So we're gonna make a rod wave bangle. So one of these days I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I make these. I'm gonna say this 50 million times. I do not buy these pre-made. I make them myself. So I'm gonna just keep saying that during the whole video because people like to say, where did you get this from? I make them myself. Anyway, what I like to do, I do sell charms, by the way, y'all. So if you need charms, I got you. We're just going to assort it the way I want it to look. I don't know if y'all can see this. I want my bangle to look like this. So we're going to do it a 3-layer type bangle. I don't know if I'm gonna add this key one. I don't know if I should. Is it good with light? Okay. I don't know if I should add this key to it. I feel like it'll be a good like stack, but we're gonna just leave it to the side. It's fine. You set up your bangles and your charms. If y'all need charms, link in the bio. And I make the custom photos myself. And I make some of these charms myself as well. So first you're gonna lay out your charms. I think this style is gonna be super cute, so that's why I want it this way. If you don't like it this way, it's not meant for you. I'm joking. You are going to need tools, y'all. If you need tools, I got tools linked in the bio. You're going to need pliers, any type of pliers. This pink one is a cutter. It's like a wire cutter, but I find it more easier to open the bangle with these pliers. So yeah. And then you also have these are regular pliers, but I rarely use these, literally. So I use these. And then you're gonna need a split ring plier. I already have split rings already on mine. If you don't know what split rings look like, they look like this. Like a mini like divider in the middle. So that's what split rings look like. So when you're doing this, yeah, this is a full-on tutorial, so pay attention. So after you set up your charms, what you're gonna do, oop, we just got a sale, we got an order. What you're gonna need is split rings. And no, I don't sell split rings. I don't sell split rings or jump rings, but these are what split rings look like. And I don't sell bangles. I only sell charms, so charms linked in the bio. If you need the tools, the split rings, the jump rings and stuff like that, not the jump rings, the split rings and the pliers, not the pliers, what? The split rings and the bangles, link in bio on my Amazon storefront. Everything's linked in the bio. But as for charms, everything's linked in my wholesale tab. So what you're gonna do, I'm sorry, I keep rambling on. You're gonna get your split rings. Looks like this. You're gonna grab your charm. I'm gonna grab this as the first charm. So it looks like this. You're gonna get your split ring. You know, and all you're gonna do, I want y'all to see this, is press and it's going to open it. So this part, you're gonna hold it. I'm gonna see how far I can go, like, so it can focus. You're gonna hold it and you're gonna go through the loop and release. I like to release. You can just keep going. And for this part, some people like to use their hands, but I like to mostly use the plier to close it. So it's already on there, it's not coming off. So that's what it looks like. So we're done with the first one.
So now what we're gonna do next is keep going for the other ones. Just open, grab your charm. Let me see if this will focus. Come on, focus, focus. Slip through. You can release it. You see how I released it? It's just hanging. And release. You can use your hands. I don't like to use my hands. It kind of bothers me, but yeah, I don't really like to use my hands. But, and close. So you see that? Easy, simple. So yeah.
So this is a planner charm. If y'all don't know how to make planner charms, I did a whole video already how to drill them and stuff. I made this hole a little bigger just for extra wiggle room. So for this one, you could go like this. It's kind of harder when like the planner is wider. So what you're gonna do is go from the sides and go like that. For this part, what I like to do is get my plier and kind of maneuver it down and flip it. It's gonna widen. It's gonna widen the split ring, but you could easily just close it with the plier, and it's gonna look like this. We're down to the second step. So you're gonna choose your bangles. I'm gonna be using 3 bangles. I probably don't need to zoom in for this. Let me just zoom out. So I'm gonna be using 3 bangles, 3 gold bangles since the theme is gold. Use 3 gold bangles and we use gold split ring. So this is how you open a bangle. There we go. Okay. So you're going to choose which side you want to open. In this case, I don't like the fuller side. I like the kind of like, it's thinner on this side. You can tell the difference between the two once you get used to making bangles. So then I go ahead, you use my plier. And then I use the plier and then I open it out. And this is how you open the bangle. And then you're going to press up and pull down. So this is what it looks like now. Right? After you're done putting on your charms. I like to put if you put your charms like this, it's going to look weird. Like it's going to be inside out. So you want it to face you. So everything that's facing you, you're going to go this way. And you're going to just flip through, close, and close. And that's how you basically make a bangle. I kind of went a little fast there, so I'm going to be a little slower this time. Okay. This one doesn't need a split ring because it's already wide and open. So I just go through like that. Go through like that. And then what you're going to do is push up, push it down, and close. So far, but I want to add a 3rd layer. I feel like the 3rd layer is going to be super cute. So now this is what it's going to look like. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. It's 3 layers and this set will be on the website. So that is an in-depth tutorial, kind of an in-depth If y'all want me to go a little slower the next video, then I will. So if y'all want me to do another in-depth video on how to do these, I am more than happy to. So if you guys like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on that post notification bell for more tutorials. And if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. And if you guys want to know where the charms are from my store, linked in the bio. Any questions, and comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. And peace.